So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on the developer mode in iOS 26. So you visit the Share iCare website and download the software. After that, you install it on your Windows PC. It takes a while to download. My network was very slow. So let's hold on for it to download. After the download, install the software and run it. Okay, now the download is done. So now plug in your device. Your device will be using iOS 16 and above to be able to use the software. So navigate more tools and click on developer mode. After enabling it on the Windows PC, check your privacy and security settings. You'll find the developer mode there. Thank you.